Okay, we're just here at our Hallmark Hotel at Cannon Beach, number 332. It's a 2-bedroom with a view. Let's check out the view. Oh my gosh, look. We're right there. Haystack Rock and Cannon Beach. He's just happy with his cookie. What do you see? You see the beach, the people? We're looking for a spot to build a fire. You excited, Brody? Huh? Look at this. And this one looks like a good spot. Nice views. Here's our little fire spot. We're gonna cook some s'mores and watch the sun go down. It's so beautiful here. Brody's looking around. There's our hotel up there. I think it's like one of those rooms. Huh? Yeah, we'll be back. We're gonna take some photos and come back. It's too beautiful. It's amazing, even all the way out there. I guess this is where they filmed Goonies, at this rock. There's my little family. Hi, family.
Hi.
Hi. Daddy and Amelin walking into the sunset. What are you guys doing? Huh? Oh, a sand bath? Oh, there used to be a castle over there. Now it's totally demolished by him. Wow, look at that in the back. It's so crazy. They're having so much fun. Where'd he go? Yeah, you have a giant shadow. my gosh, it's so nice, yeah. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, the sun's going down. It's just that time of the day, sunset. We're walking. We just took some photos down there and it was so beautiful watching the sunset. It's almost going down. And now we're gonna walk to our little spot and make some s'mores. That's our spot, we're walking. We already got everything set up there. And we're gonna make some s'mores while the sun goes down. Sticks?
I need sticks.
Oh yeah, we got some sticks inside here. See, it says it comes with skewers. It should be in there. Just opened it. And we're gonna take a look inside. So, chocolate chip marshmallows. And there's some sticks. Yeah.
I got one.
Yeah, we got 3. There's chocolate chips on the inside.
I got one.
And we're gonna roast our marshmallows.
Yeah.
Roasting some marshmallows. You wanna just eat yours, Brody? Go eat it! Eat it! Yum yum!
Yummy?
Yay! Likes it? Mommy is making a nice golden brown marshmallow.
Oh, hot.
Oh, it's about to like melt.
Moving camera.
Yum. Here's my little family. I love them. There's somebody up there.
Mommy, this is your mom.
We put out our fire. We're gonna watch Goonies. We're here. Ta-da! That's a really nice view. So we're just about to head out and it's about 11 a.m. and look, it's high tide now. Last night there were people right next to those rocks and now it looks pretty dangerous actually. So we're gonna check it out tonight when it's low tide again, and they say there's puffins on that rock. I kind of think it's the Puffin Rock on Netflix, but we'll see. I'm gonna have to watch that show again. We're at the Tillamook Creamery in Tillamook City, Oregon. Yeah, we're gonna check it out. We love their dairy products here, that's for sure. Wow, we just entered. It's huge. It's a self-guided tour and then cheese samples at the end. Is that cheese hanging from the ceiling? Ooh. baby cow. Milk arrived and it's processed in here. Found blocks of cheese down there. See that down there? There's the blue octopus. What does it do? It's vacuum sealing cheese in there. Yes. You look at all the cheese. Yum.
My stomach is angry.
Do you want to eat it? Oh, look it. You're so cute, Brody. Oh, wow. You like it? The cutest aquarium.
Oh, I was gonna say.
We're at the aquarium. Seaside. Wow, look, it's right on the ocean here. It's 1937. Wow. Look at that guy in the back. Oh, that other guy took it. Wow.
Wow, he's running.
Yes. Hey, mister.
Oh my God.
He sure needs a bigger space.
But there's a way right there.
I know.
But
Isn't it funny? Because I heard they escape well, so I'm wondering why he doesn't escape from this place. You see it? There, you did it! You did it, Amelie. What did it feel like?
It's soft.
Soft? You touched its green tentacles. You want to touch one of those there? The pink ones?
Wait. That's a blue fish.
Oh, that's a jellyfish in there.
Yeah, but that's kind of blue.
Yeah.
It can light up.
Yeah, it can light up. I'm sure in the black light, but you see it?
Yeah, but that little tiny one.
Uh-huh.
It's a little tiny jellyfish.
Look at this sea slug. Isn't it pretty? All the different colors?
Yeah, it's orange.
Yeah.
I like a jellyfish. I like a jellyfish. I like a jellyfish. I like a jellyfish. Hermit crab.
Yeah, hermit crabs. Let's look in here. We're at the Seaside Aquarium near Cannon Beach. It's a cute aquarium that's been here for a long time. It's a beautiful day at Cannon Beach. We just had fun. We went down to Tillamook Creamery factory and also to the Seaside Aquarium. And now we're gonna check out the rock over there. They have some tide pools, take some photos, and then making a fire for sunset. Can't wait. So pretty. Amazing.
called tide pools. Do you know what a tide pool is? Yeah?
Oh, it's a full shell.
Yeah, I think so.
Put it in there.
Ooh, it's heavy. It's kind of heavy.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that thing.
Wow, look at all these tide pools. There's so many right here. Oh wow, look, there's anemones in there. These are tide pools. Barnacles. I see anemones. You remember these? You saw it at the aquarium?
The little millipede, the tiny.
Yeah, they're so tiny. There might be more.
Yeah, that's the cute.
Yeah, so cute. Oh wow, there's way more. Oh, look, there's an anemone. Touched one of those before.
I touched one.
Yeah.
I just touched one.
Yeah. Lots of stuff in
I
here.
touched it at aquarium.
Yeah, the aquarium, huh? Wow, look at all of these. Wow.
Ooh, look at this.
Wow. Ooh, there's some big ones. You see the green one there?
Yeah.
You touched those before?
Wow, look at that one.
Oh yeah, it's almost out of the water. Oh, do you see it? Those are anemones. And there's the green ones over there. There's the green ones, you see it?
I don't see Hallmark crabs.
Yeah, where are the hermit crabs? Wow, this is the most awesome thing.
Very green.
Yeah.
Did you step in the water for fun?
What? What?
You can walk across here. Follow me.
Whoa.
Ciao guys.
Oh, ciao, Brody, Amalin. Hi, sweetheart. Is it delicious? What does it taste like, huh?
Chocolate.
Yeah, there's chocolate chips and those marshmallows. Yeah. You like the graham cracker? We're making some s'mores, but they decided to eat the marshmallow before we cooked it, which is all good because it's a lot more cleaner that way. Ooh, look at that s'more.
Brody, don't drop it.
Do you like it? Is it delicious?
Yum 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 yum. And all going camping.
Yeah. Kind of. We're eating s'mores.